Welcome to MB Tour Reviews. Today on the channel we're looking at the Hafele door and drawer handle jig. This is a template for drilling out door handles and drawer handles for kitchen cabinetry or other types of cabinetry, made by Hafele, who are a manufacturer of various different components of hardware and ironmongery for cabinets and for furniture. Okay, so the jig features a ruler along the bottom which goes up to 330 millimeters, and then it has stops along here. It goes up to 65 millimeters. Then it has various holes marked 0, 32, 64, and so on, all the way up to 320 millimeters. Purpose of this jig is for marking out repeated holes on cabinetry, either kitchen hardware or drawers. So if you have, let's say, handle which the spacings are 160 millimeters, you can line up the holes perfectly every single time. You can set the ruler and you can use the depth adjuster so that you can set a repeatable measurement on every cabinet and then drill out the holes. Or you can use it as a marking template and just mark up the holes and then come back along and drill all of the holes. This could be used for both cabinets and drawers, and there are probably some other applications where you use handles in which you can use this. This is a tool probably best suited for kitchen fitters and cabinet makers. However, if you were changing all the cabinets and drawers in your kitchen yourself at home, this would be well worth the money to save all the hassle and time of measuring out the widths between your handles and also the individual measurements of each drawer and cabinet. Okay, so with this jig, the advantages are that traditionally you'd have to measure in to the middle of your drawer and then do equal measurements out to the side of your handle to locate the handle, and same going down to the middle, and then you'd have to drill your holes, and you'd have to do that for every single drawer that you did, and then you'd have to do the same thing for all of the cabinets, and you'd have to readjust for your cabinets depending on where you would put the handle. So if you're putting it in the corner, that's going to change your measurements, etc. With this jig, you will only measure once on the drawers and you'll get your measurements and you'll be able to replicate that through each drawer. So once you've done one drawer, you'll come along, mark your 2 holes, then you'll move to your next drawer and do the same thing and repeat this process until you've got all of your holes marked or drilled out, depending on which way you want to do it. I personally like to mark the holes first and then drill it separately, so that I don't damage the jig. You do have to punch out the holes depending on the handles you've been using. I only use it for 160mm handles at the moment. I haven't had anything larger. And then the same with the cabinets. You'll set the jig up for the cabinets and then you'll follow along, repeating the process until you're done. You do have to make a measurement on each drawer and cabinet, but the measurement will then stay the same and you've got your hole spacing set out already for your handles. Something that I've picked up while I was filming this video is that this with its maximum depth of 65 millimeters means that dependent on the length of your drawer, if you have quite a wide drawer, it's going to be quite hard for you to get the center marks out every single time. That is the only drawback I've seen so far to this jig. So I think that's something they could improve on. This jig is available to purchase in most places from anywhere from around £10 to £20. In Toolstation and Screwfix in the UK, it's around £15. I bought this about 5 years ago and they're still selling it now. I think even at that price, if you were using it just to do your own kitchen at home once, it would still save you a lot of time and be far more accurate than measuring each individual drawer and each individual cabinet for handles. And also, depending on the size of your handles, if you have bigger drawers or cabinets, you have the spacings there to allow you to change the length of your handles for the longer drawers. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave a comment down below. Thank you.